All right, welcome to my channel. So the first thing that you need to know before you start watching my videos is the purpose of this channel is for education and entertainment, mostly education with some entertainment, and mostly for my students. Really, it's an opportunity for me to showcase my algorithm and for my students to see it working and me to be able to talk about the trades and why I'm taking the trades and things like that. This is not a channel where I'll be showing you that I'm making millions of dollars. So family rules, you won't be seeing that. Some traders out there want to put their stuff out. I don't even know why they do that. Like on social media in a public sphere, hey, look at me, I made 20,000 today, 50,000 today, all that stuff. That will not happen on this channel. The most you'll see me making here is anywhere from 50 bucks to $1,000 in a day would be the most once we get to that level of scaling. And then I'll reset and we'll be looking at 50 bucks and we'll be scaling back to, a thousand a day or so. And we'll just keep resetting that scaling. But family rules will not be showing you on this my social media that I'm making tons of money. Second thing is I'm trading with Thinkorswim. That's my platform that you see here on the screen. So you got my two windows on futures trading. Same thing, it'll be Thinkorswim. So you'll see that I trade futures and the equities market with these videos. I trade based off of my algorithm, the simple switch algorithm, and it's got different settings. Same algo, but different settings for futures market, for equities market, and different types of trading. It's got different settings for it. So I'll be trading off of that. Links below if you're interested in learning more about the algo. All the education over there is free, as well as the trading log that you'll see. You can get the link below, which will give you that log, so you can go over there and explore all that stuff. So when you're looking at my screen, okay, now when you're looking at my screen, you'll see these the chart markups, and you'll see yellow. Wherever I put yellow is an entry. So when it's yellow like this, it's the algo ideal entry. And then you may see a yellow like this, and that is where I actually got in, and it'll be touching the candle that I got in on. And then the location. Red are my stops, green are my targets. And then if you want to learn how the algo works so you can better understand what I'm doing when I'm doing my trades, over at the link below, you can go over there and learn all about the algo. It's completely free for that whole education. It's free to learn about my trading plan, my strategy, everything that I teach about trading is free over there. Only thing that costs money is if you decided to buy the algo, then that would cost money. But you can apply a lot of the stuff that I teach over there, including my strategy and trading plan, to your own strategies and help maybe improve your game. So all that is definitely free. I don't charge for any of that education. Only the algo if that's something you decided to add to your list. So then sometimes you'll see on here me doing experiments, which I'm going to try to do another one later on this year when I get a little more time. But I love to do trading experiments. We blow up accounts, but we do it in the purpose of education, showing you that certain trading techniques or strategies sometimes just don't work. And we play with some different concepts and blow up accounts, real accounts, small accounts, but still real accounts. And you'll also see some small accounts as well, like when we do offshore brokers and things like that. So, and then of course, educational videos I'll be putting out as well. So there's a lot of different content here. So if you can give me the like, hit that like button, that would help me a lot with the YouTube. And if you subscribe and hit that bell icon, you can be notified whenever I upload new content. And the last thing, but probably the most important thing, is trading is very risky. Do not place a trade based on what you see here or whatever I say. I'm not telling you what to do. If it sounds like I'm telling you what to do, it's me just thinking out loud. And most traders will lose all of their money. I am strictly speculating. I do not have a crystal ball. So, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. So please do not take financial advice from me. This is strictly to talk about how I trade, to teach about how I do things, and for your entertainment. All right, so now the legal stuff is out of the way. Let's get into today's trades. All right, good morning, everybody. It is August 10th, so just jumped into JD Short. We had our switchback, which we just traded on the switchback. We don't worry about permission, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, we're already coming into the target on JD. It's going fast. I like it. I like it. It's going to be a nice early day. It's only 9:45. This trade's almost done already. So we made it 90% of the way, so we're going to go to break even plus a couple bucks. Let's put dashboard on. What is the spread here? 4 cents. So break even is 96. So we're looking at around 90. We're 97 to 92. could be a resistance area, so hopefully we don't get rejected and get out for like $5. Yep, that's about what's about to happen. All right, so there we are. So we're there with a loser of 365. Came down here, got this resistance area, got rejected all the way back up. I might re-enter this trade though because I believe this is still going down. So yeah, I should have just put my stop at the top of this candle, made it go green, but then I'll be in bigger red. So if I end up with a red 365, it's not that big a deal. Just a bummer because we just about hit that target and a couple pennies away from being able to get out of this trade, and then it got rejected. So that's too bad. Well, I think I might re-enter this trade. We'll see here what happens. Okay, so re-entered the trade. Put my stop in up here. Short, yeah, buying it back. There we go. All right. This candle's going to close here in about a minute and a half. So if we can close red on this candle, that'll be nice. But we'll see. We have a big gap up, so we're flagging right now. So this could be going higher. So I'm going to try to move my stop into profit here in just a second. Or get out with profit. But, you know, I like to trail it or put a stop in instead of just hitting the flatten or the market out. We got a 4-cent spread, so I'm just looking for this to move down a decent little move and then get me into profit, and then I'll be moving my stop to profit. It's a 102. Okay, move my stop back to profit now. Candle close in 30 seconds, so if this can push downward, then we could be good to go for a ride. Let's see what happens. Hold on, 15 more seconds. Oh no. Don't do it. Close red, 10 more seconds. Alright, 2 seconds. It's too close to our stop. We're probably going to get stopped. Yep. Alright, but now we're stopped out in profit. Alright, everybody, so that's going to do it for today. Yes, this may sell off and it could be a huge winner, but I got to play by the rules 90% of the way. It's time to get out for some profit. It moves fast. Jumped my stop. Got out for a small loss. I had that opportunity on that pullback to get back in, recover that, and make some money. But unfortunately, it's only $15, and I need to be out. Again, you know, on the technical side, this is like a big bull flag, and it's flagging right now in consolidation in the opening range candle right here. So consolidation zone. It's not really a breakout until we get a close below here. And then we see it continue to move downward, and it's not, you know, not a breakout that way until it goes that way either. So we're in consolidation zone right now. No trade. Got my money. And yeah, so we're out. So that's going to do it for today. I'm going to put that in the log, and then we'll show you what the log looks like, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, so here we are with the log. So JD, long, short. I just did the average of shares instead of putting in the two orders. So that's why it looks like that. Only one in there. And that gave us around, it actually came out to like 1591, but whatever. As long as I'm lower than what it was, if by a few pennies, I'm fine with it. So 1560, put the notes in. So on the scaling ladder, did that do anything for us? Nope, not yet. It wasn't insignificant, but we're still green on the month. So over the dashboard, and yeah, still slowly growing. JD, we're off to a really slow start with JD. This is insane. I thought for sure we'd already be up, like we'd be in the $500 to $1,000 zone already almost. You know, at least a $500 zone risk reward, and we'd be looking at $500 bills on these. But JD's just been really choppy like crazy, and the last week I guess or so. So we'll see. Hopefully tomorrow it turns around for us and we can make some money with JD. All right, everybody. See you tomorrow.